Hi guys, this is Nick Dunning and welcome. I just want to show you inside the Action Club so you can have a look and just see what's going on so you get some kind of an idea. So we talk about a lot of things inside the club, as you can see. Here we've got this, there's a video here about the positive psychology. This is going to show you exactly how you can use the power of your unconscious mind to, and it's got the Yes book as well. The Yes book is a wonderful methodology for how you can create positive energy inside your life. You start to do these extraordinary little exercises. They're really simple, every day, tiny little things. And what you do is you start to focus more and more on all of your gains and all of your wins. Everything that's ever been successful in your life, we start to encourage that to come to the fore. Because the basic idea, in your unconscious mind is every single thing that's ever happened to you. So all of your successes are already inside of you. And I show you how you dive into the well of all of your success so you can bring it up to the surface so it becomes your new reality. So let's have a little look. So around here, so you learn a bit about the unconscious mind of the basics. Then we've got some bonus training videos here about showreels, how you can use all that. Coaching calls where I take you through and keep you inspired and show you how to make new changes. We've got a Zoom call here, which is how to 10x your visualization skills. If you get actual kind of if your visualization skills are up to speed, suddenly you start to see more out there in the world, and you begin to notice that. And the way
good. That's great. So, okay, guys, I'm gonna go. What this is, I'm coming from. For those of you who haven't really met me before.
Shut up, Nick. Okay, that's the. This is what happens. I'm going to show you the actual course itself, and there's me talking in the corner, as you can see. What else have we got? Checklists, worksheets, self-taping guide. If you've got any kind of an issue, something you want to look at, let's make sure you sort that one out. We have the mastermind here as well, where you can come inside and you share with all the other clients, and everyone can all chat to each other. A lot of people get work that way. They kind of hook up with each other. They say, hey, did you know I'm doing a thing? Yeah, I need someone to stand in here, or I need this, or I need that. Kind of works real good. In the first month, and this is a monthly course, as you know, it works out €15 a month. What we do in the first month, we talk about how to maximize 21 days to acting success, which is a free training that you get that comes along with this. And that's this 5 minutes a day training that is just NLP based and is absolutely wonderful, even though I say it myself. Now, in the second month, we're going to go into how to break through any obstacle. Some people have used it to, if they've got a problem with their agent, how to get over that problem. What do you do if you need to actually, confront your agent, to challenge your agent? How do you do that? That's really useful for that. But it's also about any obstacle. In the bounce, so the bounce is real cool. The bounce will show you exactly how you get.
Hi guys, this is Nick, and welcome to month 2.
That's the bounce. That's how to leap ahead fast. This is how to get to Hollywood in one move. It's really, really great. Now, what else have we got in here? We're going to learn as well about the pizza walk. That's a real good one. The pizza walk is a fantastic little thing. It's show you how to get over any kind of fear or anxiety you might have about approaching anybody famous or a casting director, or maybe you have an issue with, networking, anything like that, going up to someone and saying hi. This will show you exactly how you break through.
This is a little bonus one that I wanted to throw in.
Yeah, this is a little bonus video, but it's really great, and you'll enjoy that, and it'll show you how to get your brain conditioned to feeling comfortable and relaxed in networking situations. In the third month, we talk about acceptance, accountability, and action. This is literally whenever you have something that you can't change in your life, you need to accept it. Once you have that acceptance, you can then move on. But of course, you need accountability and you need to take action to solve the situations. And I show you a really simple way of how you can do that. Video testimonials, that's from various people there. Then we go on to the swish pattern. These are various NLP patterns which change things. Peripheral vision, this one. This one is really fantastic. Peripheral vision makes you just go into peripheral vision, which is an expanded awareness state, which means that what you're able to do is to feel completely open and relaxed. It's the most powerful thing that you can possibly do before any audition. That's the video that's going to show you all about that. It's really powerful. It used to be used by the guards of the Chinese emperors in the 8th century. It's that ancient. It's so strong. In fact, anyone who uses kung fu or martial arts, they're always in the state of peripheral vision, because the state of peripheral vision opens up all of your brain and is just remarkable. Fantastic for going on stage. I use it all the time. There's another one, the visual squash. This is like if you, supposing you have two parts of you that are pulling, maybe there's a part of you that really wants to be successful and a part of you that kind of goes, I think I'd rather watch Netflix. That kind of thing. So what the visual squash does is it kind of goes, right, it brings the two parts together into alignment. So now you can still choose to watch Netflix, don't get me wrong, but it means that what you'll be able to do is you'll be much clearer in your decision making and you'll feel so much more comfortable. Then we talk about involving, inspiring, and inviting. This is how you connect with casting directors. Now, I don't want to go through the whole thing, but I hope you get the basic idea. And you see in here, there's the charisma cascade. That would show you how to develop more charisma for on camera. And then we talk about stillness on camera as well. We go on further. There's a bit more about peripheral vision because it's so useful. Then we get into the positive mental imprint generator. That is when you start to really develop this extraordinary level of power. Think of your most powerful moment you've ever had in your life and just double that feeling now. And as you feel that feeling, just step into that for a second. Own that like it's yours. And imagine that going on in your life all the time. So you can be successful at everything you do. So, as you can see, we carry on. This is how to get rid of all the negativity and so on, how to meditate, how to get ahead faster, how to change beliefs, all of that kind of stuff. So I hope that what I've done is given you some kind of an overview of what happens inside the Action Club. So I invite you to come along and join us. Bye, guys.